Welcome back, beauties. D.Beasley here. As you can tell from the title of this video, we have us another makeup therapy session. This one I'm not actually like talking through. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do a voiceover or not at the moment, but I kind of just wanted to sit here, zone out, do my makeup. Y'all know I love doing that, and I wanted to show you all how I got this look. This look was actually created with the Anastasia Norvina 3 palette, and I love these colors. These are very much fall and summer appropriate, and I'm really feeling it. I really enjoy like just sitting here. My son was in here most of the time, just laying around, which I thought was kind of, he never does that, but he was just in here laying around hanging out with me. So I just zoned out, didn't do a voiceover, didn't talk through. This past week, it's been really hard for me to, the last video I put out I had pre-recorded prior to like everything kind of like blowing up as much as it did. But y'all, it has been really hard on me dealing with having to, it's just been really hard. The past couple of weeks have been really hard for me. I am a black woman raising a black son, and it is very difficult for me to I can't put it into words. It's like, it's very difficult for me to even explain to you how I'm feeling. RIP to George Floyd, RIP to Breonna Taylor, RIP to Ahmaud Arbery. Like, I feel like there are too many RIPs. Like, it's very disturbing. It's very sad that I have to speak to my son about why somebody doesn't like the color of his skin and he's 13. Or why some people just don't, why some people won't like the color of his skin and he's just 13. Like, it's very hard to have that conversation with your kid. And I'm recording this now. Try not to cry. Okay, I'm recording this now. He's not here at the moment, but I wanted to, I really enjoyed the fact that he actually came and sat in, and you know, he was just playing on his phone, and you know, I was just doing my makeup. But it was a very good vibe, but I'm very disturbed. Like, I'm worried for my son's, not my son's future, just our children. Like, why are we still dealing with this in 2020? Why do you hate my skin so much? Like, it is very disturbing. And a lot of people's true colors are coming out. Like, you have a lot of people are just fed up. Like, it's 2020. Nobody's dealing with y'all shit. I'm sorry, excuse my language, but no one is dealing with that anymore. Like, it's time for a change. Like, oh Lord, it's very disturbing. It's very hard for me to get on here and even talk to y'all about this. Stay prayed up, cover your family in the blood of Jesus. Like, just literally, like, stay prayed up, because when I tell you, I wish I could be out protesting, but I'm normally at work and coronavirus. But I am so proud of everyone for standing up. Like, all 50 states protested. Like, that is amazing. I don't think like we've ever had this amount of, like, people are tired. Like, people are tired of it, and it's not right. Like, how are we as Americans not liking other Americans because of the color of their skin? Like, are y'all kidding me? Still in 2020. Like, I just want to give my point of view on this, because I have to speak to my black son and talk to him about why you may come across people who may not like you because the color of your skin, and that is disturbing. Like, period. Like, I don't even know when I was talking to him about it, or when we talked to him about it, it's like so weird to me. So I know it's weird to him, but I'm just like, literally like, look, this is the world we live in. Why they don't like us, I couldn't tell you. Why somebody may have a problem with you, no, there's no reason. There's nothing wrong with you, there's a problem with them. So I literally have to have this conversation with him, and it's sad. I have to have it with him, and I ain't happy about that. So I wanted to come on here, do a little bit of a makeup therapy session, do my makeup. I'm about to head out, I've been moving around with him all day. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. I hope you all are well. I hope you all are doing amazing. I hope you all are avoiding the coronavirus, because honey, they are opening up cities around here and everything else, and I'm just sitting here like, so is he gone or not? If you're new, welcome to the channel. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. I love you, and I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Bye, beauties.